Bunge ya kaunti yo kugerera kamiti ya kurumbuania na maria maturigiceirie ni rabanga gutemania ndereti iria ikwaririo na kuhitukio iri watho wa kurugamirira thũgũrĩ ya mũthanga kaunti-inĩ yo. Kamiti yo ni irageire na giikaro na nyititemi thũgũrĩ-inĩ yo aria makoretwo magiteta ni wagi wa mĩtaratara na mawatho biacara-inĩ ya mũthanga noguo kuoneka tothokangia wa maria maturigiceirie.
That at least our people are concerned about the near future of this county, and they are interested in seeing ways in which they can sort problems that are facing us with the climate change, that are coming with the climate change.
We are going to improve that bill and incorporate what is in this petition right now, because we want to have a very, very informed bill, a very informed law on sand harvesting within Kajiado County.
The sector has stayed for long without being regulated, and we look forward to regulate the sector, especially in terms of how sand activities are being run. This bill was once introduced in the Assembly in 2020, but never went through because of a few things. And we are optimistic this time around that it's going to sail through in the Assembly.